Hi everyone, it is Koto. I am here with another Arteza unboxing video. The first thing which I got is 2 drawing pads. If you already watched my previous video, you know that I used one of these for my latest blythe journal. The next product can be familiar as well. This is a real brush pen set. The set includes 48 colors. I am using these for coloring my journals. This is a set of fineliners. I use these in my journals as well. The colors are very beautiful and I really like that they are triangle shaped. Because of this, it is easy to hold while I am drawing with them. The next product is a self-healing cutting mat. I really needed something like this in my life. Every product is listed in the description box below and you can use my coupon code to get 10% discount on Arteza's websites. Thank you for watching, see you in my next video. Bye!